Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging with me a bit today. We're going to be getting into my winter FabFitFun box. This is going to be fun. If you're new, I'm Laura. I do have furry sidekicks, Dexter and Loki are here with me today. I sure hope you stick around for the long haul. Hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this. FabFitFun is a fun subscription box. I've been getting it for quite some time now. It is a lifestyle subscription box, and it is a great opportunity for you to get some amazing items at a discounted price. So it costs, let's see, $64.99 a box if you buy it annually, so that would be $259.96 and you'd be done. And if you don't want to do that, then you can do it every season, and then it's $79.99 a box, and it's billed quarterly. You get 6 full-size products that you get to choose. So you get to go in there and customize. You're going to want to get in there early, and anyone who has an annual subscription does get to pick first. And then you can do add-ons. So you can shop the whole experience. You could buy more than one product and put it in your box. You could really build a great box. All of it's based on your preferences. So whether you like home goods or you like beauty products, all the things are there. I tend to go towards the beauty product side because I think that the prices are awesome. And I did take a peek at my box to see what the value of it was, and it's valued at $400 this time based on my selection. So it does vary based on what you pick, but you get some great options here. So right inside, here's what I see, my FabFitFun box. They have a little ad in here for Wow Dream Coat Supernatural Spray. Interesting. And let's get through my stuff while the puppers act like fools, which is normal. I do the annual subscription because I do like to pick my choices first. They go really, really fast, and there's some really fun things in here that I picked. I do have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, it looks like 4, 5, 6. I have 7 items, it looks like, in here. I didn't think I added any, so I do think you get between 6 and 8 items in every box, and I think that's valued somewhere between $300 and up. So I feel it's totally worth it, but let's find out, right? First item in here, let's see. Let's start with this one. This is by Perricone MD. This is Eyelid Lift Serum, the Essential FX Esoglutathione. I probably did not say that right, but here we go. So this one is valued at $125. This is why I love trying some of these products. $125. It says, think of this Featherlight Serum as a wake-up call for your eyes, targeting the often overlooked upper eyelids. This revolutionary formula uses the master antioxidant acylglutathione. How do you think you say that, buddy? How do you think you say it? And a nourishing blend of flax, chia, and macadamia oils to visibly lift and smooth tired, sagging skin. It's a modern approach to eye care that delivers real results, transforming delicate skin into a firmer, brighter, and more youthful looking canvas. All the good stuff, none of the bad, and gentle enough for even the most sensitive skin, which I do have. But you're right, you don't really think about your upper eyelids as much, right? So I was excited to try this. It comes in a little vial. Whoops. Oh, and you get the little dropper here. Let's see if I can show you this. It's a tiny little vial. It's 0.5 full ounces for $125. Wow. But I guess a little bit would go a long way, right? If anyone has tried this, let me know if it works. I will find out shortly. Okay, so that's the first item. Next up, this is the Swell 18-ounce tumbler in Coastal Blue, valued at $34, so that's the retail. I always love a good cup. I keep this by me all the time, whether I'm at my desk or in bed or whatever. I always have a cup of something. So this says, sip sustainably, meet your new go-to tumbler, a sleek and stylish insulated cup that keeps your drinks hot for up to 4 hours and cold for even longer, complete with a slide open /proof kit. This Coastal Blue beauty is ready for anything, whether you're headed to the office or just lounging at home. It's the perfect way to make your morning coffee look as good as it tastes. So I like this too because it would fit into a cup holder really well. Yeah, I like this. Very cute. All right, next we have another beauty product. I told you that's what I tend to pick. This one is the Haus Labs PhD Hybrid Lip Glaze. I got the Moroccan. It came in 2 different colors. You can see I went with like the pinky nude. And it says kissable lips delivered from this clean high performance makeup line created by Lady Gaga. I didn't know that. Okay. And this gloss is the perfect blend of a hydrating balm and high shine finish. It's got a cushiony feel that makes your lips look plump and healthy without a hint of stickiness, packed with peptides, keeps your pout nourished for hours. So you can do you. I can't put this on since I already have a lipstick on, but here's the color. Yeah, it's pretty clear. You can see there on my hand. So it's going to be just a little bit of color, I think. That should be pretty. That's valued at $26, which sounds about right to me. Okay, we're going to keep going. I'm having fun. This is fun. Next up, Unhide Softy Socks 2-pack. So this is valued at $29. Again, I don't think that's a bad price. I love these kind of socks. Whoops, don't grab that. Check these out. I love these kind of socks. There's 2 of them here. And it says, the coziest socks you'll ever own, made from Unhide signature sleepy material. These ultra soft socks. What are you doing, buddy? Are you eating your toy? Why are we eating the toy? Ultra soft socks will be your new go-to. The 2-pack features a perfect mix of rosy, baby, and classic gray to match your vibe. Treat your feet to the same comfort you come to love with your favorite Unhide blanket. So, love these. I like to put cream on my feet before I go to bed and put a sock like this on, so this will work fabulously. You could also do it during the day for those cold days. Oops, watch out, Luke. So I love everything I've gotten so far. It's very useful. Let's see what else I have. All right, these are going to be so much fun. I was excited about this. These are, intentionally blank Apres slippers. They're valued at $68. It says, ready for all your Apres adventures. These are so fun. Oh, check these out. Oh, so much stuff in here. Oh, do you see all that fuzzy goodness? Check those out. Oh yeah, I love this. Okay, these slippers are the ultimate blend of cozy and chic with a durable, lightweight EVA sole, and they're just as ready for a quick coffee run as they are for a quiet night in. The faux teddy fur lining and upper deliver max warmth, while the versatile design means you can pair them with your favorite sweats or a cute dress for effortless everyday comfort. These are adorable. I like these a lot. I was super excited to get these. Okay. These are valued at $68, as I said. We have, let's see here, one more beauty item. This is by Wander Beauty. And this is the Lip Setter Dual Lipstick Liner, valued at $32. I got the Bohemian Blush. I'm surprised by that because there was a mauve. Huh, interesting. Okay. Let's see what this looks like. It looks okay. Bohemian Blush. There's the color. Let's see what that looks like. It says perfect your pout with on-the-go dual-ended lipstick and liner that defines, enhances, and shapes for all-day wear. The fine-tip pigmented liner won't smudge, fade, or feather, and it prolongs the wear of lipstick. It looks like you could probably even wear this with the gloss that I just shared. I love that these are all full-size products. This is awesome. As I said, valued at $32. Okay, so you have the liner on one end, and then you have the lipstick at the other. So it's a dual combo. And let's see what color this looks like. Next to the, oh, this is nice. Oh yeah, that's nice. I like that a lot. That is really nice. That's going to be a really great shade. I think. So I have high hopes for that one. That should be perfect. And you will see me wear these in outfit of the day, so please check that video out. And we're down to the last item. So that posts every Sunday. You'll see how I get dressed every day. So that will be, it's a good video for you to catch up. I also say when I do boxes, what I kept in those, you get puppies, all kinds of fun stuff in that box. All right, so this last item is the bubble blanket. How fabulous is this? It's valued at $100. Check out all that yumminess. And it's pretty big. It's 60 by 50 inches. That's pretty big. Comes in this navy blue, or it came in a cream. It says, consider this your invitation to stay in. The plush bubble texture blanket is the cozy companion your couch has been waiting for. It's the kind of luxurious touches that makes a house a home, perfect for draping over your bed or curling up with on the couch. It's a gift to yourself or someone you really, really like that brings warmth and style to any season. That's another thing with these boxes. You could pick things that you could gift easily. You see something you think somebody else would love. So, and this is all machine wash, cold separate, do not bleach, line dry, and do not dry clean, it says. Or you can, do not iron, you can dry clean if you wanted. That's big. It's going to be a fun one to wrap up in. And that's everything. So that was 7 items. I love them all. I'm very excited to wear my slippers. I have my cozy blanket, so there I can put my socks on too and get comfy with my drink. Here's the holidays come up, and I just have a few beauty products to try as well. So I have the lipstick, the gloss, and my eye lip serum. All right, I love this. I thought this was a great box, but I can't wait to hear from you. So please do comment down below. If you'd like to give FabFitFun a try, I will put my link down below, and you will get $20 towards an annual subscription. I think you would love it, as long as you like to get a mix of fun, I would say spa-like pieces, right? But they have a lot of home goods as well. So if you like to do some, like, you know, self-care, this would be a perfect box. All right, that's a wrap. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe and swipe the hype. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and I'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.